This store-bought waffle dessert bowl has 19 net carbs, whereas the one that I made at home has 4 net carbs. And it all started with a low-carb tortilla shell. So just when you thought that you could not have one of these dessert bowls, well, think again. If you do it at home and you control the ingredients, you absolutely can. And I'm going to show you how coming up next. Okay, the first thing that you want to do is to take your tortilla shell and heat it on the stove, both sides, just to make it pliable. Once you've done that, then take some sugar-free, either maple syrup or a homemade vanilla syrup, which is really, really easy to make for you guys. Equal part water and sweetener and some vanilla extract, and you have a vanilla syrup. And you just brush this, okay, on your shell, and this gives it that nice sweet maple or vanilla flavor. Okay, then bring over your mold, and if you need to know how to put this together, then I'll leave the link to the video in the card above. Turn that over. And let's gently press it into place. And this forms your shell. And just leave it up here for about a minute or so, just so it can hold the shape. All right, guys, let's take this off. That looks good. And if you want, because you're gonna make it your own kind of special, you can put a little bit more of your maple syrup or vanilla syrup on this side of your shell. Okay, all right. Take this and just slide it in. Press it down with your fingers. And that is ready to bake in a 400-degree preheated oven for about 12 minutes. I'll see you soon. Okay, everyone, this is after 12 minutes. The middle of it is just a little bit too soft for me. So what I'm gonna do is just turn this over, take it out of the mold, and then put it, a little bit too soft. Put it back in the oven for about 3 minutes or so, and then this will be ready. Okay, everyone, this is ready. So I'm just gonna let it sit here and cool for a few minutes, and then this will be ready to fill with whatever our hearts desire. Okay, this has cooled down. Now it's time to go ahead and fill it with, again, our heart's desire. So today I'm gonna fill it with some fresh berries. I've got some strawberries and some blueberries here. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of sweetener on it. You guys, oh my gosh. Okay, and then go ahead and spoon this. Into our shell. And this smells amazing. And some blueberries for a contrasting color. And there you have it, you guys. A low-carb waffle dessert bowl. Okay, everyone, you see how simple that was, but oh, so delicious. You are just limited by your imagination It's another one of these things where it's something that you love, but you think that it's off limits because it's so high in carbs. Again, use what you have, use your imagination, and you make it your own kind of special. Thank you guys so very much for joining me. Remember to give this video a like and a share. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me the honor of doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. And remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. Until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I'll see you guys real soon on my next Fit 550. And enjoy.